Flutter Quiz App Part 1. In this tutorial, we are going to show how we have designed the splash screen. Let's see all of our app screens, what we have designed. Here are all the screens. Now we'll create a new Flutter app project from Android Studio. Select Flutter and then Flutter SDK, then next. Type app name and required informations, then click on finish. It will take some time. This is a basic Flutter app with one screen, which starts from main Dart. For running this app inside an emulator, first let's start the emulator from ABD Manager. Here we have one emulator. Let's start it. It will take some time for the first time. Now selecting the emulator, let's click on Run. App runs inside emulator with one plus button. It is working fine. Now we'll add required files and directories for our quiz app. First, add assets folder where we'll keep all of our graphics and fonts. Inside assets, let's add another directory named image. Inside images folder, we'll put two images for a splash screen. One is background, another one is top graphics. Here are two graphics files. For accessing graphics, we need to add them in PubSpec OML. Before that, we're adding a folder directory for skins. Here we'll add splash skin stateful widget. Let's type the file name. Let's add a stateful widget. It will require importing material class library. Now, if we start splash screen, then it will show a container with a text widget. From main Dart, we'll remove existing screen and we'll replace that by our splash screen. Let's rename the app title, Flutter Quiz App, removing the comments. Now, as a home screen, we'll set a splash screen here. Now, if you run the app, then it will start splash screen, which contains only a text widget. Inside container, we will add two images. One is background, another one is top shape. First, we're wrapping the container by scaffold. Scaffold has some features like app bar. As a body, it takes any widgets. It takes a single widget. Now we'll add assets in PubSpec YML. Which is required for accessing assets in Flutter project. Here we can add multiple directory and asset images. First, we'll add background image as decoration image so that we can fit full screen. After that, we'll add the top graphics as child. We can do this kind of work using stack widget, which allow stack images one after another. But for this scenario, box decoration is suitable because we can fit an image into entire screen. It is showing the shape. Have some problem with alignment. Let's set the container alignment. Now it is showing perfectly. After showing the splash screen, for a while, we'll navigate to home screen. For that, let's add home screen stateful widget first. Add a stateful widget with proper import. Let's add a text widget for now. Then we'll redirect to home screen from splash screen. Here inside init state, we'll navigate to home screen. We have added 3-second delay. So if we run app, then it will show splash screen for 3 seconds. After that, it will navigate to home screen. It's working. Now let's add some changes in home screen. It's showing into center. So now we can control the splash screen duration from here. Showing the splash screen, then immediately showing the home screen. Thank you for watching the tutorial. Please subscribe for next part of the video.